30 ounces of hash browns. I have about 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm just gonna place right on there. Following it up with some chicken broth, you wanna go in and add about between 3 and 4 cups of chicken broth right on top of those hash browns. Now, an average container like this is 4 cups, so you can add the whole thing if you would like. In fact, that's what I'm gonna do. So just add the whole container, the 4 cups of chicken broth. I have 2 cans of cream of celery soup, so I'll pour that right in there. That's gonna mix very nicely with that chicken broth and those hash browns. Of course, you can use any type of cream of chicken or cream of fill in the blank soup that you would like. Let me know in the comments, and we'll follow it up with some bacon. Now, is it necessary to put bacon? No, but I like bacon in my easy potato soup, so we are throwing all of that bacon right on top there. Of course, we need a little bit of pepper. If you don't like pepper, leave it out. Maybe you have other seasonings you like in your potato soup. I tend to kind of keep it more plain on the seasoning side, but if you do, let me know in the comments. I would always love to jazz it up. Now, of course, we're gonna go for a little bit of salt. I'm not gonna measure it out. I'm just gonna put a couple pinches of salt on top. My rule of thumb is you can always add more. Quickly come in here and give it a little stir, mix it all up. It doesn't have to be too serious, you guys. As those potatoes start to melt and all of it starts to get liquidy, it is gonna be easier to mix it. So when you go through this recipe and it's gonna cook for a couple hours, just kind of, I don't know, maybe every hour or so, you just give it a little mix, and that's fine, right? And it just all mixes together. Oh, that bacon is gonna be so, so good in there. Okay, that looks great. Now pop the lid on, cook it on high, let it cook for a couple hours, and stick around. I think this is gonna be your new favorite way to do potato soup. Our potato soup is all done. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I can smell the bacon. It is so creamy right now. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. I love using the crock pot. Oh my gosh, it makes dinner so easy. Now, of course, I'm gonna top this with some cheddar cheese. Do you put cheddar cheese on your potato soup or not? I mean, I guess it's the same thing with the bacon. Do you normally jazz it up at the end, or do you do it and cook it in throughout? Because I could have put cheese in there for it to cook, but I just thought I would throw a little bit on the top. Along with the green onion, for me, this is definitely a must-have with potato soup. So I'm just gonna cut some green onions right here on top. Oh my gosh, you guys, this soup hack is so easy, and to have the base only be a couple ingredients, it's affordable and easy to do, to whip together, and also to customize to your liking, just the way I like it. Everyone gets an opportunity, right? That makes it fun. Okay, now I'm gonna dive in here with this spoon. I wanna show you guys how really creamy this is. So we're gonna get some of this cheese and these onions, and look at that soup. It's just so creamy with that bacon. Oh yeah, let's put some of this right here in that bowl. Oh yeah. I just don't know. It's the hash browns that help make it so creamy, right? I mean, I know we have the cream of chicken, but then we have also the broth, and wow, holy cow. And I did promise David that he was allowed to have the first bowl. So babe, why don't you come over here and have some lunch? All right, the real truth is I'm sick of getting food all over my face today. So we're gonna give it to David this time around. Shh. All right, babe, here, give it a try.
Try this.
It's still hot. I can tell it's steamy. Great flavor though, right?
It's really tasty.
It is so easy. Like I said, affordable too. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna do to change up this recipe. Of course, I wanna hear all about it, your ads, your takeaways, and what's good in life. All right, you guys, we'll see you later. I hope you enjoy.